Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open TikTok on mute mode. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application. So once you open, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom. Then you need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. So once you are here, you simply need to scroll down and here you can see playback. Click on that option and here you can see first option, open TikTok on mute. Click on that. So here you can see that videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. Tap to unmute videos or use your device volume control. So now you can see that I selected this option. So each time when I open TikTok, it is always mute. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.